Hi guys, it's Alex here from Homey. I want to show you real quick how to pair this smart plug from KlikAaNKlikUit or Trust Smart Home to Homey. We're going to go through how to pair this, and I'll show you quickly how you can control the device with Homey. In the Homey app, let's head to Devices and hit the plus in the top right. Now we want to search for the brand KlikAaNKlikUit. I see here the KlikAaNKlikUit app, so I can tap on that. And this will give me an overview of all of the devices that KlikAaNKlikUit makes that Homey can integrate with and connect with. So let me scroll down until I find the device I'm trying to pair. Now in this case, I am trying to pair the ACC-3500 smart plug. And this smart plug can take up to 3,500 watts. So to connect, I want to tap on the tile for this smart plug. I'll hit connect. And as always, Homey will offer detailed instructions for the device you're looking to pair. Now in this case, I need to unplug the device, it's already unplugged, then plug it back in and the LED will flash. Now I've done this before, so I know it's sometimes handy to have a device plugged into the socket to know when the pairing process is complete. So I'm going to quickly plug in the lamp I have here. So plug this in and then plug in my socket. Once the socket is plugged in, I can tap on next. Now you'll see in the app, it asks me, did the device turn off and on? In this case, the lamp flashed, so it did turn off and on. So I can hit the check mark. Once the device has successfully paired to Homey, you'll see the device tile appear in the Homey app under your devices. Now if I hold on the device tile, I can see some of the controls for this device. In this case, it's an on-off button. So if I tap on it, you'll see that the lamp turns on. Tap on it again, lamp will turn off, one more time, and the lamp turns back on. So it's a really simple control for this plug. If I swipe to the right, you'll see that you can also create flows for this device. And that's a little bit where it gets interesting with Homey. So flows are our way of creating automations for your smart home. Now you can create as many flows as you want for this device to have it really become a part of your smart home. So let's say you have a standing lamp in the corner that's plugged into a wall outlet, and you want that lamp to turn on with the rest of your lights. You can set this up with a flow with Homey.